how to change the style of a specific landing page created on the Smart Center platform. Hi guys, my name is Yuliia Zatsarynna. In this video you will learn how to change the external style of the landing page on Smart Center. Namely, how to change the font color of the landing page, both for all created on Smart Center and each one individually. Like and subscribe to our channel. And so friends, in order to make this change for this landing page, you need to use a script. This one. In the description to this video will be a link to this script. And so, the first thing you need to do is copy this script and create some script on Smart Center. In general, there are 3 separate scripts and each separately we will now talk about. Copy the first one and go to Smart Center platform. This is our main console. Choose a menu domain and add some custom. Name doesn't matter. I write script and the first script paste a head back to GitHub and copy second one 10 to 13. Copy this one back to Smart Center again and paste in a body and continue. This is the first one. And next we need to add the script itself, which will change the style of the landing page. We will create the first one, which will change the style of all the landing page. Add the second one, it's custom for example, 1. Back to GitHub and this is one, change a style for all landing page on Smart Center. Copy all of this one back to Smart Center and paste here. This script applies to all widgets on this project. And this script has 2 parts. Let's go to GitHub and I explain all of these 2 parts. This is the first one and second one. The first one change a description on our mini landing. If I open our mini landing, it change this one. It is our description. And second part of script, change a headline. This is headline, change this is part of script. The first line is the font size. You can choose here 20, 21, different one. The second one, this is a location your text, center, right or left. Another one, it is color your text. This is, you can choose thick or thin font. Another for it is margin or padding. It is a top one, left, right and on the bottom. Second part of script, it is same than this first one, but here the padding on the bottom and a margin at the bottom of the outside unit. Of course, it is your choice what you want to change here. Back to Smart Center and I change now something for this one. For example, the first I want 22. Okay, center, okay. If I want to change color, I go and find some table of RGB and copy, for example, this color. Copy, back Smart Center and change this one. Yeah. Thick or thin, for example, and nothing change here one, and it is our headline. I change color to, for example, I don't know, maybe this one. Back to Smart Center, change this one, maybe font size 16. Oh, sorry, 16. Okay, center 2, and nothing changed here. And continue. We change style for all landing page on the Smart Center. Go for this one, my landing page here, and update the page. And now this is update all of this. If I want to change a specific landing page, I need to use a next code, next script. Go to GitHub and we copy the script 53 and it is our 81. Copy, back to Smart Center domain, and the first I delete this one. Delete and create another custom second one. Paste this one and, for example, change here. It's maybe 16. It is all same really. Another color, what color I would like, for example this one. Copy, paste color, and my headline I want to 28 and change different color to, copy and change. But in this script we need to add and name our landing page. I open the another page. Console, Smart Messenger. Go to section with my landing page, widgets, and here I have some landing page. Choose this landing page, it is same, and go to the section Setup. And here I need to copy name this landing page. You copy only this text. All landing page differentiated this name. I copy this name, back to console domain, and here this one, widgets, this is a name, this widget. I change this, paste 1 and second place here 2 and paste here 2 and continue. Now go to my landing page and update again. And you can see it is a different style for a specific landing page. Okay guys, today you have learned how to change the style of all the landing page on the platform or a specific page. Like and subscribe to our channel, don't miss a new lesson how to building chatbots for your business. See you soon guys!